Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your watchlist name on CoinMarketCap. To change the name of your watchlist on CoinMarketCap is easy. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're inside market, tap on Watchlist from the top menu. Click on the three dots right next to your watchlist, and then from the More option, click on Edit. You can then go ahead and edit your watchlist. Go to the Watchlist Name tab and enter the name for your watchlist. After you enter the new name for your watchlist, click on Save Changes. Right after you do that, you will notice that your watchlist name has been changed. That's how you easily customize your watchlist for better organization and easier identification. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.